Today, I'm excited to introduce you to our new Zinsser Stain Killing Primer. This user-friendly water-based formula has been specially designed to kill existing stains from water, fire, grease, nicotine, and tannin bleed. Typically, these issues would require a solvent-based primer with strong odors and need mineral spirits to clean up. Zinsser Stain Killing Primer is a low-odor, low-VOC solution with easy soap and water cleanup. This advanced formula uses stain-locking technology to trap the stain in the primer film. After drying for 2 hours, most projects are ready to paint. However, heavy stains may still be visible, but we guarantee they are locked into the primer film and will not bleed into the top coat paint. We are also excited to introduce our Zinsser Stain Killing Spray, equipped with a precision control tip that sprays any direction and leaves a smooth and even finish. While standard tips produce a cone-like shape and are great for small spot priming, this unique trigger delivery sprays similar to an HVLP gun and produces a 3-inch wide fan spray, making it perfect for large stains, furniture, and cabinets. So the next time you have a project with stubborn stains or tannin bleed, choose Zinsser Stain Killing Primers.